everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am back with another crochet stitch tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to crochet the up and down stitch. And I'm not gonna lie, while working up this swatch it kind of felt like a stitch I've done before, though I know for sure I've never done this stitch here on this channel before. But it is a very simple stitch pattern that offers a bit of variation from your typical like basic stitching. So anyway, it alternates single crochets and double crochets, and I'm going to show you exactly how it does that here in this video. This video is brought to you by my supporters over at Hey Craftapreneur. Hey Craftapreneur is my monthly pattern club, which includes my knitting, crochet, and centro knitting machine designs. Each month, members are given access to at least 2 of these designs, as they are either added to the library or updated, and they will have continual access to my entire written/video pattern library for as long as they are members. Membership also gives you the title of Super Crafty, because that's what you are. Members are also given complimentary access to most of my crochet or knitting courses that are published on the website. For example, I recently published a step-by-step crochet course which will walk you through all the terminology, discussions about gauge, and the actual mechanics of the craft. It is a self-paced course that is usually purchased individually, but because you are monthly or quarterly supporters, you get access to it totally free as long as you're signed up for the club. The support I get from Hey Craftapreneur allows me to continue to operate this channel and publish the tutorial content that you've come to know and love. So if you want to support me and make cool stuff, as I'm sure you've seen under the community tab here, then consider heading over and signing up today after the end of this tutorial. Alright, let's dive into the instruction. Alright, again, you'll be able to find all that information down in the description box below. I'll talk more on it later. Let's dive right into this tutorial. The best part about this stitch pattern is that it is a 1-row repeat, and as you saw me kind of fiddling with the stitch, it is a stretchy little stitch, so if you're making blankets and things like that, it's excellent for it. Okay, so to begin, we're going to create a slip knot, and we are going to chain in an even increment, so in multiples of 2. I think I did, don't remember what I did. I'm going to do 20. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, once you have your chains, what you're going to do is you are going to double crochet in the second chain from your hook. So, I'm going to yarn over, and we're not going to work into this right here, but this one, the second chain over. And we're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, for a double crochet. Alright, and now we're going to start the repeat for the row, and that is we are going to single crochet into the next chain, okay, we're going to double crochet into the next chain, we're going to single crochet into the next chain, and we are going to double crochet into the next chain, and we're going to repeat this process all the way across our row. Alright, creating this last single crochet here. And in my last chain, I'm going to double crochet. Alright, and this is what row 1 looks like. Now we're ready to move on to row 2, and we're going to chain 1. Turn our work, okay, and we are not going to work into this first double crochet here. We're going to skip it, and then on top of the single crochet we're going to double crochet. So insert your hook into the top of that single crochet from the previous row and create a double crochet. Alright, and now we are going to single crochet on top of the double crochet And that is our repeat for the row. We are just going to double crochet on top of single crochets and single crochet on top of double crochets all the way across. Gonna single crochet into this next stitch, and then at the very end, you can barely see it, we're just going to double crochet in that very last little stitch. It might look like a chain space. Alright, and this is what row 2 looks like. Now we're going to move on to continue this pattern by repeating row 2 over and over again. So I'm going to again chain up 1, going to skip this first double crochet, and into that single crochet we're going to double crochet, and on top of that single crochet, on top of that double crochet we're going to single crochet. So basically repeat row 2. Coming up on another single crochet, so I'm going to double crochet. Alright, making my last double crochet here. So your row should end on double crochets always, because you're repeating the same row over and over again. And this is what the fabric looks like. It's a very nice texture. I think this is actually a very soft baby cotton or something. I don't remember, I lost the label for it, but this one is a 4-weight yarn that I used a 6.5mm crochet hook on, so this is definitely a spongier texture. So you should get something that looks like either of these swatches. I hope this video was helpful for you today. If so, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on my future crochet content. I usually post crochet tutorials on Sundays at 9:30 a.m. CST. If you really like my content, my teaching style overall, then I ask that you please become a member of Hey Craftapreneur, which is my monthly pattern club where I, share my knitting, crochet, and central knitting machine patterns on a monthly basis. Some of them are early releases, some of them are exclusive releases, some of them are upgrading patterns from the past and adding videos into them so that they're more enjoyable for my audience out there. It helps support me and the channel and keep things running around here, so I hope you'll seriously consider that. All the information for Hey Craftapreneur is linked in the description box below. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, happy making!